Hello everyone, this is Jackie from CRW Group. Today, we want to show you something new, LED advertising truck. As you can see, this cute blue truck with the ISUZU. You can see the LED screen. Left side, right side, and the rear side is all adopts the Pixel 4, the waterproof, full color LED screen, and this is for the mobile advertising, and it also can be used for the road show. So today, follow me. Let me show you some details of the inside control system of the LED advertising truck. Let's go. So now we are inside of the LED advertising truck. Here is a power supply system of this truck. So if you want to light up the LED screen, first of all, you should turn on this diesel generator. In the top side of the generator, here you can see is a computer. This one is the main control system. When you want to play the video, when you want to play some picture, when you want to write down your advertising words in the LED screen to show to the customer. So you should control this one. Here is the sound system. This one is the electricity control box. This one is a power supply switch. Here you can see there is 2 units exhaust fan. This pipeline is a fuel supply for the generator system, and this pipeline is connected with the fuel tanker. This is Jackie. This is your advisor of the mobile LED advertising business. If you want to start your advertising business, call Jackie. Contact with us and we will give you our business suggestion.